PC building is intimidating for first timers. You're following a YouTube video, your hands are full, and you can't tell which cable goes where. BuildBuddy is a voice first AI assistant that guides you through a PC build hands free with camera based part identification and a shareable timeline so humans can review what the AI told you. Hello, BuildBuddy.
Hello, I'm ready to help you build your PC. Do you have your PC part picker list URL to get started?
Yeah, it's at pcpartpicker.com/abc.
Before we begin, make sure your motherboard is placed on the cardboard box it came in to protect the pins. Also, remember to ground yourself by touching the metal frame of your case. There is a critical compatibility warning. Your motherboard may need a BIOS update to work with your CPU. We can address that later if needed. Now, let's find your CPU. It's a square chip. Can you locate it?
Yeah, I think I see it. Also, is this my motherboard?
Yes, that's your ASUS TUF gaming motherboard. You'll want to install the CPU into the CPU socket, which is the square area in the center of the board. First, find the small metal lever on the side of the socket to open it. Are you ready to proceed?
Yeah, so I finished installing the CPU.
That's great progress. Now it's time for your cooler, the Noctua NHU12S. Your cooler may require a separate mounting adapter for your AM4 socket, so check the packaging for that. Be careful not to touch the bottom surface of the cooler or the top of your CPU. Are you ready
Oh,
to mount your cooler?
yeah, actually, I think I don't have that bracket. Can we move on instead?
No problem. We can skip the cooler for now and come back to it. The next step is the RAM, the G-Scale Ripjaws V-Sticks. You have two sticks. Look for the RAM slots on your motherboard, usually to the right of the CPU socket. You'll need to open the small clips on each end. Make sure to align the notch in the RAM with the ridge in the slot. You'll need to push down firmly until the clips snap into place. It can take more pressure than expected.
Right, so I actually installed the SSD by myself. Can you check if this is right?
That looks correct. The M.2 drive is properly seated and secured. Nice work. I will update your progress. Now, the next step is to prepare your case and install the motherboard. First, make sure the case is on a stable surface and you've removed the side panel. You'll need to check for the standoffs, the small screws that came with your
So
case,
yeah, as you
and
can
make
tell
sure
so
they are
far,
in the correct
BuildBuddy is a
positions to
voice
match your motherboard.
assisted
This
with
prevents short
camera-based
circuits. Are you ready to
PC
place the
builder
motherboard in the case?
that helps you build a PC with steps. And there is a shared build report feature here where it goes through your entire timeline as you build your PC from the start with image verification as well as no time blockers. For example, image verification here, and then we have our blocker. Now, these pictures are taken during the steps, and here you can see that when we installed our crucial SSD, this is what BuildBuddy was seeing as we installed it. And the pictures here, they act as human proof so that when you share this link with a friend, let's say, they're able to verify what steps you've taken and what the AI saw at that time when it proposed solutions. And yeah, so BuildBuddy uses Gemini Live API for real-time voice, ATK for agent, Cloud Run for deployment, Firestore for build logging, and GCS for snapshot.